Those born on this day are warm and friendly, with a wonderful, somewhat loony sense of humor. Outwardly, you come off as chattier and less moody than most Cancer natives. However, on the inside, you are as practical and determined to succeed as any other crab. Material security is one of your main concerns because you are complete devotion to family and friends. You worry as much about their security as your own. You are careful with money and possessions, but it's not that you are ungenerous. You just detest waste. You have an eye for quality and only buy things you know will last. The root number 4 represents the builder. It evokes the power to build structures for the betterment of humankind. As a leader, you thrive on responsibility. You have a tough but fair management style and organizational ability that make you top executive material. You are predisposed to go a little further and work a little harder than the next person. In negotiations, you are hard-headed and focused on the bottom line. However, you are so nice about it, the other person doesn't realize that he or she has been out maneuvered until after the deal is signed. Trust doesn't come easily to you. Wherever you feel insecure in love and romance, you retreat in your own protective shell. Yet, once your confidence has been won, you will remain loyal and loving forever.